Okay students, so now our demand is almost over, so we are in supply. Okay, we are in the topic supply. So let us understand what is supply curve, what is supply schedule. So the next is supply schedule. So if the different quantities, okay, if the different quantities supplied at different prices are represented in a chart, okay, if the quantity supplied at different price are represented in a chart or schedule, then it is known as supply schedule. Like you can see here, the quantity supplied by individuals, okay, individuals are represented in chart, okay, in table. So this is a nothing but the supply schedule. And supply schedule is of two types, like individual supply schedule and market supply schedule. So here individual supply schedule, you can see that. So here you can see that in this chart individual price is given and it is a rice, okay, per kg in rupees, which is presented in rupees. So it is quantity, one side is quantity and other side is rate, okay. So when the rupees was 3, quantity supplied was 50 kg. When it was 4, price was 4, quantity supplied was 60. When price was 5, quantity supplied was 70. When 6, it was 80. Similarly, suppose that in a market there are 100 consumer, okay, and price is fixed 100 consumer. So when the price was 3, consumer bought how many kg? 50. Per consumer bought, supplied by not consumer, okay, supplied by supplier. But how much they supplied? They supplied 5,000 because demand was 100. So here you can see that when price was 3, quantity supplied was 5,000. Think about supplier. Suppose that there is a 100 supplier, not consumer, okay. It was mistake because we are talking about supply. Suppose that there is a 100 supplier, okay. So 100 supplier, when price was 4, quantity supplied was 6,000. Why 6,000? Because it is 60. If individual one supplier is supplying 60 kg when price was 4, so 100 supplier will supply how much? 6,000 kg when price was 4. So when price 5, it became 7,000 because 70 into 100, okay. And now when price rises to 5, 5 to 6, it became 8,000. So here in case of supply, it has a direct relationship. If price will increase, quantity supplied will also increase. If price will decrease, quantity supplied will also decrease, because we have to think from the point of view of supplier, okay. Now what is supply curve? Supply curve. So the same thing, when we will plot, okay, if we will plot the supply schedule in a diagram, okay, or in a graph, we can get the supply curve. So here also the supply curve shows different quantity at supply, different quantity supplied at different price. Like similarly, suppose that I am talking about curve. So in horizontal axis, let it be quantity supplied, okay, quantity supplied, and vertical axis, it is the price. So here when price, suppose it is 3, it is 4, and it is 5, and here it is 50, 60, and then 70, okay, it is 60 and then 70. So suppose that when price was 3, quantity supplied was 70. When it rises in, it becomes this. So when price was 4, quantity supplied was 60. When price rises to 5, quantity supplied was 70. So you can see it is upward rising, okay. This is your supply curve. Thank you students.